Hey guys, Crazy Pyro here. Just letting you guys know what's up. Anyways, I got another assortment I'm gonna unbox for you today, and I hope you guys enjoy. This one's by Skyking Fireworks, also, and it's called I Love New York. I don't know if it compares to anything Phantom has with the New Yorker set, but we're about to find out. You guys, let me know what you think. Without further ado, here we go. All right. 4 packs, Whistling Moon Rockets. I don't know if there's a difference between the blue and the red, but we get 4 of those. Two army tanks. Two packs of snappers. Skyking Firework brand. We have a Lucky Clover by Skyking Fireworks. Pack of ground blooms. We got a brick of cutting edge supercharged maximum load firecrackers. 40 packs of 16s. Cutting edge fireworks. Number 6, rocket. Cutting edge fireworks. Two packs, 5-ball Roman candles. We have a 49-shot happy plant. .25-shot Saturn missile battery road class fireworks. A classic road class fireworks. Happy New Year. Pretty sure it's probably a knockoff of the Chinese New Year. You guys let me know what you think. 2 number 3 cone fountains. I dropped something. Six M5000s by Road Class Fireworks. Three packs of ground blooms. Road Class Fireworks. Color Pearl Flower. 48-shot. Another classic. This one actually feels heavy. Some of these Garden Springs are real cheap, my personal opinion. Says 200 grams Garden Spring. 7 shots. Skyking Firework brand. Flying Space Plane. Spring Peach. I believe it's a fountain. Cutting edge fireworks. Skyking Firework brand. Fiestable balls. Let me see if they're the fake ones. Give me a second. Actually, they say Fiestable balls. Maybe it's a misprint, but these are definitely canister shells. So that's definitely worth the money. They give you this nice little narrow tube with it. It's pretty long. It's actually fiberglass. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty decent sized pack of Morning Glory sparklers. I ain't quite sure how many's in there. And a box of assorted fountains by Cutting Edge Fireworks number 7s. 4-pack. And once it's all said and done, the deception of all fireworks. The hidden styrofoam. Anyway, guys, that's the I Love New York set by Skyking Fireworks. Let me know what you think. All right, leave me some comments in the bottom. I'll let me know. If there's anything I could do better or try to demo for you or unbox, let me know. All right, talk to you guys later.